Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to share with you how to do a very simple pumpkin soup. Okay, first we need to steam up the pumpkin and then we need some milk. Okay, for the seasoning we need salt, pepper and a teaspoon of sugar. First, mash up the pumpkin. For cooking, first put in the milk in the pot and then heat it on the low fire until it's hot, and then you can stir in your pumpkin. Next, you put in the salt and pepper and the sugar for seasoning. Stir it together and heat this on the low medium heat for the next 15 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. And here we have it, our pumpkin soup, and please try this recipe yourself at home, and please subscribe to our channel. Have a good day. Thank you.